today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Microsoft Edge browser to the latest version. Let's get started. When it comes to ensuring that your web browsing experience is safe, secure, and smooth, keeping your browser up to date is essential. If you've already got your Edge browser open, you're halfway there. Take a moment to notice the layout of your Edge interface. In the upper right corner, you'll see an icon consisting of 3 dots. This icon is crucial for accessing various settings and features within Edge. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and you'll be presented with a menu. As you look down this menu, you'll find the Help and Feedback option. It's nestled underneath the Settings icon. By clicking here, you'll be directed to more detailed information and options related to Microsoft Edge. Now, within the Help and Feedback section, look for the option labeled About Microsoft Edge. It should be the very last option in this list, easily identifiable and ready for you to click. Once you've clicked on About Microsoft Edge, you'll be brought to a new screen. On this screen, you'll immediately be informed whether your Edge browser is up to date. If it is, you'll see a message that confirms your Microsoft Edge is currently up to date. However, if your version of Edge isn't the latest, don't worry. The browser is designed to automatically download and install any available updates for you. So, if there's any new version available, it will begin this process seamlessly in the background. Once the update has been fully downloaded, you'll need to restart Microsoft Edge to complete the installation. This is the final step to ensure all new features and security improvements are correctly applied. Usually, closing the browser completely and reopening it will do the trick. If prompted, simply click to relaunch Edge and enjoy the benefits of having the latest version at your fingertips. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. By keeping your browser updated, you're contributing to a safer, faster, and more efficient browsing experience. Remember, staying up to date helps prevent potential security vulnerabilities and often comes with performance enhancements that make your time online even more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Stay safe online and enjoy browsing with your fully updated Microsoft Edge.